Hi everyone and welcome to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today I am going to teach you how to ask someone for permission. But before doing that, we need to learn what permission stands for. So it stands for when you want to do something and you don't know if it's okay. In this case, you ask someone for his or her permission. You ask if it's okay or not. For example, if you want to borrow something from someone, you cannot take it by force, but instead you have to ask for a permission in a polite way. For this reason, there are three ways to ask for permission. The first one is can I? Can I? And the second one, could I? Could I? And the third and last one is may I? May I? So there are can I, could I, and may I are all good expressions to ask for permission. But the last one, may I, is more polite than the two others. So if you want to ask someone for something in a polite way, it's better to use may I, may I. So let's have and see some other examples. Make sure that after these expressions of permission, it comes directly the verb. Can I help you? Could I help you? May I help you? As I have said and still say, may I is used in a polite way, especially if you are talking to someone who has more power than you, like a teacher or a father and so on. It's better to use may I. Can I see you again? Could I see you again? May I see you again? Can I have some water? Or could I have some water? May I have some water? Can I call you later? Could I call you later? May I call you later? Can I borrow some money? Could I borrow some money? May I borrow some money? Can I speak to Mr. Kim? Could I speak to Mr. Kim? Or may I speak to Mr. Kim? One more example. Can I go to the bathroom? Could I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? So, as I have mentioned before, and you can see, we use always after these expressions of permission a verb. It means that after these expressions a verb must become later on. So this expression is followed directly by a verb. That's why we can see can I help, or can I see, or could I have, may I borrow, may I speak, and so on. And at the end, if you like this video and you want to see more videos about our channel, don't forget to like and comment below. Thanks.